Ever wondered why the quantum world flips the script on everything we know about physics? Buckle up, science enthusiasts, because we're diving into the jaw-dropping differences between our predictable everyday world and the bizarre quantum realm. In our classical world, think cars, skyscrapers, and planets, everything follows clear, consistent laws. A thrown basketball arc's perfectly based on force and angle, but zoom in a billion times smaller, and you'll uncover a mind-boggling realm where particles teleport, exist in two places at once, and act downright strange. Welcome to the quantum universe. First up, predictability versus probability. In the classical world, everything follows a precise path. Throw a basketball, and you can calculate exactly where it lands. But in the quantum world, particles like electrons don't behave so neatly. They exist as a blur of possibilities, only choosing a state when observed. Wild, isn't it? Next is wave-particle duality. Light doesn't play by one rule. It acts as both a wave and a particle. Imagine water rippling like waves, but also behaving like tiny marbles at the same time. That's the quantum paradox at work, and it's one of the coolest concepts in physics. And let's not forget superposition. In our world, something is either here or there, not both. But in the quantum realm, particles can exist simultaneously in multiple states or places until measured. Think of Schrödinger's famous cat, alive and not, all in one. These aren't just mind games. Quantum physics powers real-world tech, from quantum computers to advanced materials, unlocking solutions far beyond what supercomputers can manage today. So the next time you gaze at the stars, remember, a hidden quantum universe is shaping our future in ways we're just starting to understand. Question for you: what quantum concept leaves you awestruck? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you learned something new, hit like, subscribe for more science-packed videos, and share this with your fellow enthusiasts. Stay curious, and we'll see you in the next video.